Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch a neon mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So a neon mutated fish is usually easy to spot. It glows just like this clownfish in here. But if you want to be sure, you can also use your radar in here and you'll see it says neon like this. So to catch it, you can just equip your gun. Here I'm using a wasted gun, and I'm going to try to catch this neon mutated clownfish like this. So that's it. So I just caught a neon clownfish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye.